In today's video, I'm going to teach you how the Leap competition works on TradingView step by step. If you've ever wanted a safe way to test your trading skills, the Leap is TradingView's built-in competition where you trade with virtual money and see how you stack up on a live leaderboard. Let's walk through exactly how to get started and what to expect. Begin by opening TradingView and logging into your account. Being signed in ensures your trades and competition progress are tracked correctly, so double-check you're on the right profile before moving on. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click Community. This is where TradingView collects all the social features, and it's also where you'll find competitions. From the list, select The Leap. This takes you to the Competition Hub. Here you can browse the available contests. You might see special editions like a Crypto Edition or a seasonal event such as a Christmas Edition. Each contest can focus on different markets or themes, so pick the one that aligns with what you want to practice. Before you join, take a moment to read the contest details carefully. Look at the prize pool to understand what's at stake. Review which trading assets are allowed, so you know what instruments you'll be working with, and note the start and end dates. Timing matters. If you join mid-competition, you'll still be able to participate, but you'll have less time to rack up performance. Be mindful of the time zone listed so you know exactly when the contest begins and ends for you. When you're ready, click Join the Contest. That's your confirmation that you're in. From there, you'll trade using TradingView charts with virtual money only. Every trade is risk-free to your real funds, so this is a great opportunity to practice strategy, refine entries and exits, and explore different assets without financial pressure. Use the same tools you normally would: indicators, drawing tools, multiple time frames, to keep your process consistent. Your performance is tracked automatically and appears on the leaderboard without any extra steps. You don't need to submit results or take screenshots. The system handles it for you. If it doesn't update instantly, give it a moment, then refresh the page. At any time, head back to the contest page to check your rank, stats, and overall progress. Review your equity curve, see how you compare with others, and use those insights to adjust your approach during the contest window. It's a simple loop. Analyze, trade, review, and iterate. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.